Subscribe if you want to see more videos of me and Kevin not being entitled anymore. Also, like the video, comment in the comments section, share this content with anyone who may enjoy it.
And look for the hidden fire alarm in the video.
Entitled Karen's Face My Teeth, Face It, Why?
Boris the Teeth Guy, is that you I am hearing?
Yes, it is, and I have thought of doing a very big trick on Karen and Aaron.
And what is it going to be? Tell us more in detail.
You know that she wanted a 4K TV on Black Friday, but the store was all sold out? Well, I am going to pretend to give her a 4K TV.
What are you really going to?
I'm going to build a giant Wheelock 7002T fire alarm, and then put something in it that will make it transform into a TV. But then when Karen tries to turn on the TV, it will turn back into a fire alarm and it will go off. And then Karen will not return to her house for a week.
Ha 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 ha.
That has got to be the funniest plan you have ever come up with, not to mention one of the best plans.
Why thank you, Miss Martin. Anyways, I better start making the fire alarm, and then give it to Karen.
Well then, I wish you all the best, and good luck tricking Karen.
Good, the toolbox is here, so I have all the materials needed to make the TV fire alarm, and I also need to make a cardboard box displaying its Samsung 4K TV. After I am done making those things, I need to find Karen. Alright. I just made the world's largest Wheelock 7002T, but I installed special technology so that it can transform into a TV. Now, time to put it in the box and take it to Karen. Even though it is heavy, I can use TheGoAnimator logic to carry this thing all by myself.
Dog, seriously, if you don't stop barking, I am going to sue you for $1 million in court, and I mean it.
Hey, the dog is friendly.
You sound so stupid. You and your dog need to leave my park in the next 10 minutes.
Oh my goodness, you sound like someone I like to call a deluded, entitled Karen.
Hey Karen.
Oh no, not you again, Boris the Teeth Guy.
No, I am not going to yell at you this time, and I sincerely apologize for my behavior the other day. I have a present for you to make up for what I did to you.
You do?
Yes, it's the TV you have always wanted, a Samsung 4K Smart TV.
Why, Boris the Teeth Guy, I can't believe you changed your behavior for the better. And thank you so much for the TV I have always wanted. Would you like to come over to my house to watch Netflix?
Why didn't you say so? Let's go.
Hey, what did I tell you about barking? That's it, I am going to sue you in court next week. Now that we installed the TV correctly, I am going to turn it on so that we can watch some Netflix. Wait, what? Why won't it turn on? that TV turned itself into a fire alarm when I tried turning it on to watch Netflix.
That is what you get for being so entitled, making up silly rules for other people, claiming that the world revolves around you.
And I forgot to tell you that the TV is actually a fire alarm.
I can't believe that you would trick me like that. Just you wait until I am able to re-enter my house. I will sue you for every dollar you have in the bank. You will regret it.